Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of What Can You Get for 1,000 Yen? For those of you that are new to our channel, the rules are very simple. At each video, we have 1,000 yen to spend. We can spend it on whatever we like. But at the end of each video, we're going to rate each place based on taste and value. So last week, Bobby checked out McDonald's in Japan.
I am standing outside a McDonald's in Japan right now. You're gonna see my sidekick C1 in the next video.
Sidekick. Anyways, I'm so excited to check out Lotteria in Japan. I'm so hungry. Let's check it out.
We have the special for today. Look at that. They have the salmon burgers. Have you guys ever heard of the salmon burger? I've never have. The burger itself is 420 yen. Wasabi miso. What is that? That is so cool. You can see the standard cheeseburgers. You can see the shrimp burger that Bobby tried at McDonald's. So it's available in Lotteria as well. But I'm gonna try something different. I'm kind of craving like a rib sandwich. And they have it here at the standard menu for 390 yen. If you get the chicken combo, you can actually get an extra piece. So total of 4 chickens for 150 yen. And you know what? I think that works. Let's check it out. Bam, this is what I got here. So, the salmon burger, the rib sando burger, and the chicken, all for 960 yen. Let's check it out. All right, so this is the salmon burger. So it's a salmon patty, shaped in a patty. You got some lettuce, some onions, and the sauce, it's a wasabi miso yuzu sauce. Once you hear salmon burger, you know you have to try it. It's so new, something interesting, something that you can't get anywhere else. That's why we're here, that's why we're doing this series. All right, let's try it out. Wow. The sauce, like as soon as you bite into it, you're hit with the yuzu, the sweetness of it. And then right after, you get a kick from the wasabi, along with the salmon. It's a pretty good combo. I'm gonna take another bite here. Wow. Honestly, I'm definitely a fan. I feel like this is something you can have when you want something more healthy, I guess. Like, I'm not entirely sure how healthy this would be, but it tastes amazing. All right, now we have this pork sandwich. There's a layer of something tangy, like honey mustard. So let's give it a shot here. So here you have a really chewy bun with definitely honey mustard. Maybe Dijon mustard with, oh wow, there's another slab of sauce at the back there, and that's barbecue sauce and honey mustard together. Wow. So it's tangy, it's sweet, it has a kick. What more could you ask for? Look at that. This was 390. Fun fact, Lotteria is actually a Korean chain, but it was first established in Japan and then it went to Korea by a Korean dude. I know that because I lost a 1,000 yen bet with Bobby. That's how I know. I guess I paid for his McDonald's meal. I'm going to try this chicken stick. Like I thought it was a chicken stick, but it's more like a chicken exclamation mark. Boop. Check it out. Doesn't come with any sauce, so like I wonder how it'll taste. But look at that. Huh. So it's definitely like a chicken nugget. It's minced chicken meat with crispy exterior. It's not too bad, but I think I would prefer a McNugget over this type of fry. Very salty, crunchy. It's a chicken nugget. Oh yeah. Oh. Wasabi. That's actually so strong. Oh my god. You know what? This is what I'm gonna do. Got some leftovers here. Oh yeah. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? What is that? That, ladies and gentlemen, is the most delicious thing that you'll ever see. Look at that. Does that not make you wanna come to Japan right now? Look at that beauty right there. Oh, just gonna eat it. That's what I do. Oh yeah. You know, the best part about this is variety. I got so much. I got one napkin. That's all you need? Gone. Done in my belly. You know, I think this is one of the reasons why people, when they're traveling, actually come to different chains of different countries, because they offer a variety of things that you can never get anywhere else. So don't judge people when they say, you know what, I'm feeling McDonald's when they're in Spain, when they're in the Philippines, whatever, because they're gonna have a special menu. And honestly, I think it's worth a try. You got coupons. Can we use coupons in our 1,000 yen competitions?
So I just finished the meal. It was so good. The salmon burger was absolutely necessary to try. It's a special menu. I think it's totally worth it for 420 yen. Definitely check that out. The pork sandwich, not so much. If I had the choice, I would get something different next time. And the chicken nuggets, definitely not worth it at 150 yen. So value-wise, I would give it 3.5 out of 5. Taste-wise, I would give it 4 out of 5, giving it a grand total of 7.5 out of 10. Please let us know down below where you would like us to go next. And yeah, I think that's a wrap, and I'll see you next time. Peace.